Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix messenger notification not working on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings click on notifications and turn on notifications. After turn on notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration. Click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in settings, click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, click on messenger app. And here showing you messenger app. Click on messenger, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.